Are you looking for best drones for cats? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best drones for cats on the market today. We have considered their product quality, features, and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. SMI X20 Drone. Because it is light and easy to fly, the SMI X20 is an excellent drone for cats. Your cat can utilize the built-in camera to take images and videos. The SMI X20 drone is a good choice for beginners and even hobbyists. The drone is simple to fly and maintains a high level of stability in the air. This is a very inexpensive drone, which is a huge benefit. The drone can be used for a range of tasks, including aerial photography and video recording. SMI X20 drones are available for purchase online at the cheapest pricing. Number 2. Potenza Upgraded X20 Mini Drone. The Potenza Gowan is a fantastic cat drone. It's small and easy to fly, making it ideal for indoor use. It does not, however, have a camera. If you're looking for a camera drone for cats, check out the SMI X20, which features a 408 camera. Potenza Gowan is quite close in pricing. This is not to say that the Potenza Gowan will not disappoint you. This is a very simple to fly drone that is also quite safe for your cat. The Potenza Gowan is one of the most beginner-friendly drones on the current list of popular drones. When you look at the design, you'll be surprised at how small and light it is. This drone has a lot of intriguing and appealing features. The drone's flight time is approximately 8–10 minutes. The range is likewise excellent at around 50 meters. The drone offers a number of controls, including a headless mode and a speed switch. All of these alternatives are available to you. The drone is made from high materials and has an auto-hovering capability. Number 3. Hzone Hzone 190. The Hzone 190 is an excellent choice for cats. It has a solid build and is simple to operate. The Hzone 190 is an excellent value for money option for individuals on a tight budget. The Hzone 190 is a small, lightweight drone with a long flying time. The drone has a 5-minute flight period and a maximum range of 30 meters, although it may take some time to recharge. The drone is small enough to fit in your pocket, making it convenient to carry around with you. The drone is equipped with a camera that can record and photograph in high definition. The Hzone Hzone 190 drone is an excellent first drone for both kids and amateurs. This mini drone for cats comes with a number of features that make it an excellent choice for people learning how to fly a drone. Number 4. SMI Gogo Bird Flying Mini Drone. SMI Gogo in that sense. You can't use it as a drone in that sense. This small RC remote control flying bird cat toy is better suited for use as a cat drone or a kid's toy. The remote control for this bionic flying bird drone for cats is compact and easy to use. Indoors or out, you'll have no trouble playing with cats or kids. This remote control flying cat toy comes in 7 different hues and features blue LED lights. It has a range of 60–70 feet, which is comparable to that of more expensive drones. The SMI Gogo will rotate 6 feet away from the walls on its own. It's a lithium-ion rechargeable battery that takes only 14 minutes to fully charge. Number 5. Forsee Unscoot Hand-Operated Drone. Here's the first and the most loved hand-operated drone in Forsee Unscoot drone family. Toss to launch this hand drone into the air and enjoy vibrant LED light up. This UFO flying toy with every flight equipped with smart obstacle avoidance motion sensors. Use your hand to guide its flight. Play modern catch with family and friends and catch it hamburger style once you're done. This flying toy drone is designed with a webbed shell that protects hands, walls, and furniture from the propellers. Fly this cool self-flying sensor drone with family and friends for 8 minutes with every 15 minutes charge. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe us to get more information and update product review videos.